how do you plan to incorporate parents, students, and schools in the fight against child obesity and to have healthier schools?
As a state legislator, I was the sponsor, the original sponsor of the local school council legislation, and the idea being that LSCs would democratize decision making and bring parent and community-based voices into decision making in the schools. And in some instances, it's worked better than others, frankly. But the model for the LSCs, I think, is still a very good and solid one. And I think that working with the LSCs in the various schools around the city, again, with the board, that will help to bring this conversation into, it will elevate this conversation, because the conversation has already started. And that's why I started off congratulating all of you, because, again, 10 years ago, this wasn't even a conversation. Now it's very much on everybody's mind, and I'm hoping that that the attention that it gets will just grow, because at the end of the day, our diet and nutrition affects our healthcare costs, and our healthcare costs affects everybody. And if we start with healthier children and use the schools as a way of getting there, we will not only improve the quality of life for those children, but help decrease the reliance of the pain and suffering that comes from all of the ailments that bad food causes.